I'm Susan Loudermilk, and I am an instructor here at Lane Community College. And this is the Lane Community College Art Gallery's Artomat. We vend original art from over 400 artists from across the country, actually worldwide, through one of 100 Artomats across the country. Each Artomat art piece is $5. So there's a bit of a label that gives you a taste of what you are going to get. Tetra Pak mini purses by Mohan Makodi. I'm from Berlin, Germany. Kathy Fisher art collage assemblages. Biscuit Run Studios. Clark Whitlock arrangements from Raleigh, North Carolina. Let's see what we got. Pull off the cellophane. Comes in a box. And inside is a puzzle piece that's very nicely painted. One of a kind. $5 original art.